ठंडी यख सर्दी में मैंने खा ली आइसक्रीम। Hello beautifuls, how are you today? In my last video I shared with you guys 10 simple tips and tricks about mascara, and so today I thought why not share with you guys some hacks about lashes. I literally was gonna poke my eye. Anyhow, first I have this DIY oil with you for you guys.
बहुत इजी तरीका है कि आप एक बॉटल लें। मेरे पास ये इधर की बॉटल थी तो इसको मैंने इसमें से निकाल कर उसको धो लिया और इसके अंदर मैं अब थोड़ा सा आमंड ऑयल, इक्वल क्वांटिटीज में, और थोड़ा कैस्टर ऑयल, इसको मैं इससे सील कर दूंगी और इसको मैं शेक कर लूँगी। अच्छी तरह इसको शेक करने के बाद I'm gonna put it back into its case like this, और अब इसकी बहुत स्मूथ जो है वो एप्लीकेशन हो जाएगी आपकी आईज पे।
Recently I saw a video about lash oil remedies with Khanam, and she gave such an interesting information जो मुझे भी नहीं पता था, but if you want to learn more about lashes then you should check it out her video. So it is very easy to use, that you can just scroll on your even eyebrows and on your lashes, try to put it on your roots so it get better effect, and you can just scroll. You can even put it in your side table at night if you forget to do all the other steps. Then you can definitely do this step, and it will also help you recover your dark circles under your eye. And so you can just apply like this, and even in your eyebrows if you want your thicker eyebrows. So that's one trick from me. Next I want to share with you guys some tips and tricks about this little device. I hope many of you knows what is this. This is a lash curler, and this is basically a Rivaj lash curler. Anyhow, okay, I find this the better one. When the market में और भी तरह के available है, it has a nice grip as well. So when you're curling your lashes, it is the right way, or the proper way I have discovered is that you put your lash curler very close to your lashes. Then press the curler 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And bring it forward to the middle of your lashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then grab the tips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What it really does, that it curls your lashes properly in an oval sense. On the other hand, if you just curl your lashes once, what it does, if I can show you guys, that this lash curl is like straight upwards. On the other hand, this eyelash curler is all the way curling properly. I'm gonna balance the eyes. First on the roots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then on the middle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then on the tips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what it does, it curls my lashes all the way up. Okay. Lastly, I want to share with you guys a new trick that how to apply falsies. Falsies apply करना is basically totally up to your preference. What you like the best is, I totally go for, if I want to apply on lashes, I definitely go for the natural ones. Recently I have found these crisscross ones quite. This is 3D lashes, and these are totally reusable. Okay. I believe this kind of applying lash glue is gonna be a revolution. So what I have here is this lash glue, like this. You can use any brush. Try to use a liner brush. Take a brush and apply it on your lashes, eyes, like this. You let it dry. And then apply your lashes. I find this the most easiest way to apply lashes. That's it. Now I'm gonna apply on my other eye. Take the glue like this. Take the lashes. I find this the easiest way to apply lashes. So this is the video today. Hope you like my video, and if you like my video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.